Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a couple of watch faces we want you to check out that I think is pretty cool. We're almost at the weekend, so we thought we'd throw you a couple more casual watch faces. So stay tuned and let's check it out. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and we got some nice casual watch faces that I thought you just might like. So let's check these watch faces out. Now this first one is called The Cell. If you look at it, it looks really unique already in the door. Now when the watch face is on, I like this look. It's very different. Haven't seen anything like this one before. And if you look around the bezel of the watch, you get a host of information, and that's going to be miles walked around. You're going to get your battery percentage, floors climbed, heart rate, steps, your day and your date. You're also going to get the day and a PM stamp, which I thought was pretty cool, right? Now, if I double tap dead center, this is the animation you get. I thought this was pretty cool. I thought it would turn some heads. This one here is nice. Also, what it does is once you get to low cell, the watch face starts to turn red. I thought that was very cool for a watch face. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I thought it was super unique. Again, this one here, check it out in the Gear Manager store. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. Different from number 1, but yet nice. Now, it has a long name, so we're going to give you this. VW MK3 Quartz. We're going to put the full name in the description box down below where you'll be able to locate this in the Gear Manager store. Cool. All right, so looking at this watch face right now, I'm loving this one. It has a day and a night mode, and right now it's in the night mode. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a traditional analog time, which is cool. You just need to be able to tell your time at a glance. But when the watch face is on you, you got this greenish, dimmed down type of look. It's not bad at all. You also get a 24-hour digital time down at the bottom, and you get a battery icon, and you get a little light icon, right? So let's talk about the battery. Now, you would think that this is what is called interactive, right? And you can't tap on it and it brings up your battery info. It's color indicated, right? That means that in this color right now, which is orange, lets you know that your battery could probably be at 50% or 75 and below. And if it's green, that means you're pretty much near full, or 75% of that. Now, if it's red, that means you're pretty much riding on almost low cell. I thought that was pretty cool. Not bad at all. Different, but not bad. Now, the little light icon that's to the right of it, I thought this was pretty slick, right? Now, that icon indicates that you're in the night mode. I thought that was pretty cool. Now, when you're in the day mode, you're going to get a black and white watch face, traditional analog look, not bad at all. So you have a day and a night mode, and it switches automatically. You cannot turn it on and off, which I like. I think it's pretty cool. But at the end of the day, it's about what you think. But I'm going to recommend you check out both of these watch faces in the Gear Manager store. You will be surprised at what you find. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.